is one of them. It's one of the really good solutions. There are many other solutions as well which allows us to manage our asset, but they don't have the environment and don't have the ecosystem itself only to support all the aspects of the enterprise itself only. They may provide you IT asset management, but they won't be able to provide you service management on top of it. If they are providing that, they might not be able to provide you operation side of things where you are able to track what particular asset is performing how. I have an asset, let's say I have given somebody, let's say I had a server and then I aligned it to some kind of process that I had done, that I had created. Now you would not have a track of how well the server is performing, how well your system is performing, how well the license you have assigned to somebody is being utilized. You may not have that. But with ITOM, you will have that capability as well. You will have that clarity as well. Okay, the server is being utilized at this particular, utilization. There are so many events coming up from there. There are so many, percentage utilization of the CPU or the percentage utilization of hardware over there. So you will not be able to take proactive action. So they may not provide a entire ecosystem itself only. ServiceNow do provide it. If you may end up with a company that is providing you all of that in just single platform itself only, then it would not be able to, have such a big, I would say, portfolio of the companies who they have actually helped with and who they have actually elevated.
Trust and credibility.
Yeah. Trust and credibility will be there, and then the AI part of the things comes into the picture. Everything and everybody needs AI into their business.
From 2023, it is really all about AI now.
ChatGPT came into the picture and it's been AI.
Yeah.
It's been AI. I always hear terms at least 10 times a day on my calls. AI. I was like, yeah, AI is there. So yeah, AI is also something that is very important to us. So that is what, a solution will be requiring, and ServiceNow ITAM fits right into the picture, and it can actually help all type of businesses. So I will quickly deep dive into that. So ServiceNow ITAM is basically that itself only what you have managed. It provides us the capability of managing the assets from their entire life cycle itself only, whether it's a hardware, whether it's a software, whether it's a some kind of cloud server that you may have somewhere, SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, whatever you have it. Right. You will be able to manage it in just single place itself only. Not only that, you would be able to link it with different modules of, ServiceNow itself only. ITSM, IT service management, then you have ITOM, operations management. You will be able to interact over there itself only and integrate it so that you have an entire process flows which ensures you are saving cost, you are being compliant to the regulations, and then you are being efficient as well. And from security perspective as well, it's actually helping you out a lot. I will be talking about that security piece because this is one of the examples that I remember from one of the implementation just we recently did. That's why I remember it. Unlike, traditional ITAM, it integrates with, all of that, and it provides unified asset visibility and lifecycle management itself only. So you don't have to worry about it. Along with that, it has the AI capabilities with Now Assist built right into the platform itself only. So you get some additional capabilities on top of it. You can have a, you can have a AI insights which tells you like this particular device needs to be phased out because it is not performing as optimal as it should be, like as compared to the other counterparts, because it is 8 years old device. When you review it, you identify, okay, that's why it's not working that well. And you will be able to identify, okay, we have these many licenses, but we are only utilizing 30 of them from the 100 licenses that we have purchased. So things like that you can do. And with AI, it helps you take decisions faster. It helps you take informed decisions. So that is what, ServiceNow ITAM allows us to do in a high level overview itself only. Now I think I will go into, how does ServiceNow ITAM handles it, the types of it.
And that is exactly the question I had, that I understood that it will definitely going to help in controlling the operational costs. It is definitely going to help in reducing the downtimes, in enhancing the efficiency. But how does it really do all of that? I get it, and I very much want to trust what you are saying, but I also want you to give me a technical reason for it.
Sure. You don't trust me. I get it. You don't trust me. No issues. I will explain it now.
A logical reason on how they are really doing this. How are they doing the entire lifecycle management, all of those things.
Sure.